Hey there fellow programmers, welcome back to my Java programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to learn how to determine whether a number is even or odd using Java. This is a fundamental concept in programming and it's great to have a clear understanding of it. So let's dive right in. First, let's understand the concept. In Java, we can determine whether a number is even or odd by checking its remainder. When divided by 2, an even number will have a remainder of 0, while an odd number will have a remainder of 1. And that's it. Successfully, you have learned how to check a number whether the number is even or odd. It's a simple but important concept that you will have to encounter frequently in your programming journey. By understanding this, you can build more complex logics and create powerful programs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you are now confident in implementing even and odd checks in your Java program. If you have any question or need further assistance, please let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel for more exciting Java tutorials. Happy coding!